Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You begin by launching Chrome Music Lab in your browser and selecting Songmaker or another experiment. Set the BPM, key, and scale so the system generates harmonically consistent notes. This saves time and avoids clashing tones. Once done, pick an instrument and loop length to frame your composition. You then place notes with your mouse or keyboard on the grid and press play to immediately hear results. This iterative listening guides your next edits and choices. Now you refine melody and rhythm by adjusting note length, velocity, and grid position to shape articulation and emphasis. This alters how notes feel and read in context. Make sure to use quantize and snap to keep timing tight, and try adding swing to humanize mechanical patterns. Once you have a motif, layer additional tracks and alternate instruments. Mute and solo each layer to test how they interact. These middle steps create depth and reveal whether your harmonic choices hold up under arrangement. To finish, export your piece as MIDI or WAV so you can share or finalize it in a DAW. Name the file and confirm sample rate or quality settings. If you encounter no sound, check Chrome audio permissions, tab mute state, and your system output device. Those are common blockers. For timing or advanced edits, requantize in Chrome Music Lab or export MIDI into a more powerful editor. That gives you precision control and resolves problems that are hard to fix inside the browser tool.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.